All right, today we're going to take a look at an interesting little Zippo. And it is in the Clover factory, or the Clover family by Zippo. They make quite a few Clovers. There's a few of them right there. The Lucky Clover on the left. And there's a bunch of Clovers surrounding that little horseshoe. And then there's the brass Clover, which I really like. But let's take a look at this new one. It came in the normal Zippo black box, and it is called the 4-leaf Clover Skull. It's a genuine Zippo, made in Bradford, PA. So here is the Clover Skull Zippo. That's pretty wild. Now this one's on a black matte finish. And it was made in, looks like F of 18, which is June or July of this year. Fires up nice. Good sound with a steel insert. Maybe we can do a drop test on these skulls. This Clover Skull. Oh, and one other Clover Zippo I have is, this one is found, you can see it in Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. It's the only double-sided Clover Zippo that I have. It was made in 17. That actually goes right over there. That's my favorite Clover skull, or Clover Zippo. Okay, let's do a drop test on the Clover skulls. That turned out okay, but I missed the mark by quite a bit. Bullseye. Clover skulls. Passing the drop test. That's a good one. And it's made in the USA, so let's get the cowbell out. Knuckle bump.